Alrighty, we have arrived on Facebook. We are waiting to arrive on. We have arrived on YouTube, and so here we go. Really quick update. First of all, as of right now, there have been 2 confirmed tornadoes from this morning. One in Nelson County, one in Anderson County. I strongly suspect we're going to get them out of Fayette, maybe southern Fayette County, and almost certainly Bourbon County, and maybe Jessamine County as well. So that's from this morning stuff. But boy, those storms, they roared to life. The storms really took off as they got into the bluegrass, and so we had those storms around. What you're looking at here, so we're looking at a live Skycam weather camera here at 3:51. Most of the clouds have been flat, but notice as we're looking off to the southwest, you're starting to see some puffy cumulus clouds out there. Small ones, but it's a sign that we're beginning to get a little instability into the atmosphere here. So we are going to be watching this really closely here over the next little bit. The tornado watch has been extended out, so now tornado watch has been covers all of central Kentucky, and this literally just came out. This is going to be now until 10 o'clock. So all of us are under a tornado watch for the rest of this afternoon into this evening. So again, that includes Fayette, surrounding, that's all of central Kentucky until 10 o'clock. I would suspect the watch down here has been extended as well. Yeah, so the ones that it was until 4 is now also until 10 o'clock. So again, tornado watch up area wide. We're not done yet. It's been a little slow to redevelop after the strength, the power that those storms had earlier, and so it worked the atmosphere over pretty well, but we've had a chance to recharge, and recharging we are now. So as we are looking at this, a couple of things to take note of. This has been that big clear patch that we've been in here for a while, so the atmosphere's had a chance to destabilize. But we'll look what's going on down here to the south. Look at this, what's starting to develop down here. So this is in an area where there is a ton of shear. This storm still has a ton of potential. Now the atmosphere's just got to realize that potential. And that sunshine that we've had, the temperatures have been warming, that's the spark, and now these storms are starting to go. You see them up here by Louisville. The main line is actually back, the squall line itself is back here more toward western Kentucky. That'll be the final push. What's going to be interesting to watch here is, will these clusters of storms come to the northeast as this line is coming due east? Where that intersection happens, you have the greatest threat for getting some storms that have shear to them. Only got a couple of minutes left here because we got a 4 o'clock newscast coming up, but that we're not done yet. So you need to stay weather aware for the next several hours. Talking about how things have recovered. Look at these temperatures. We're now in the low, and look at Lawrenceburg's up to 75, 73 Harrodsburg, Lexington 72, 73 in Winchester, 74 in Owenton. Cooler in southern Kentucky now because we have rain there more recently, but that may get a chance to recover as well. You're seeing it at 74 at the Horse Park. So again, the warmth is certainly there. So for the next few hours, there still is a supercell potential for this afternoon. It's in that area, that gap we were showing, the stuff coming up from the southwest as it comes into that more favorable environment and has a chance now to work and get into those levels of the atmosphere where that potential resides, where that instability resides, where the shear resides. So that process may be beginning to happening right now. There's going to be a final squall line that comes through with a damaging wind threat even after that. But where that squall line and the supercells intersect, that's where we really have to watch things. The big variable still remains, how much more can the air mass recover? And so that's where the instability comes in, but we're beginning to see that process happening even as we speak. And again, talking about how that clear patch was opening up, this is the visible satellite, so that's the overcast we were under for most of the afternoon. There's that clear patch, which is now beginning to fill back in, but again, you're seeing the squall line beginning to form out here. So again, they're getting ready for the 4 o'clock news. Here's your instability. Here's the congested cumulus field beginning to get going. So again, final thought. Stay weather aware for the rest of this afternoon into this evening. Watch Bain coming up here at 4 o'clock. We'll be on with you starting at 5. Stay with LAX 18. Have your Storm Tracker weather app. Keep that information source available. And when we say stay weather aware, no matter where you may be going this afternoon or this evening, when you go into some place different, think about where the safe place is so that you know where to go just in case. Again, this can change rapidly for us this afternoon and this evening. So again, keep it on LAX18, our various platforms, and we will keep you safe and keep things calm in the event of the storms. And again, thanks for clicking on our webcast here on both YouTube